Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text color in Canva. So first you need to do is just add a text. So I'm going to add this one, and then you can simply change your font. And then you can also increase your text size. And to change your text color, what you need to do is just simply click on this text color option, and then from here simply you can go to this window, and from here you can select any of this color. So like I'm going to select this red one, and then simply click on this change all button, and as you can see our text color has been changed. Or what you can also do is just click on this add new color, and then you can select color of your choice from here. So you can select any color you want, and you can also use this pick a color option, and then you can simply select the color from your page. Once you do that, it will automatically change your color. So that's how you can change your text color in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.